Don't let these myths cost you. Imagine reaching retirement age, ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor, only to find out you don't have enough savings. It's a nightmare scenario that many people face because they didn't plan properly or fell for misleading information. Many fall prey to common retirement myths, misconceptions that can jeopardize their financial future. These myths can lead to poor decisions and financial instability during what should be your golden years. Today we're debunking 5 common retirement myths that could be costing you big time. By understanding the truth, you can make better choices and secure a more comfortable and worry-free retirement. Ready to take charge? Let's get started. It's never too late to learn and make positive changes for your future. Myth number 1. I have plenty of time to save for retirement. This myth is a wolf in sheep's clothing, deceiving many into a false sense of security. It's tempting to think you have all the time in the world to save, especially when you're young and life seems endless. If a 25-year-old invests just $100 a month and earns an average annual return of 7%, they'll have over $1 million by 65. Starting early makes a huge difference. Waiting until 45 means saving almost $700 a month to reach the same goal. The later you start, the harder it becomes. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. It's the secret weapon of early savers, turning small, consistent contributions into substantial wealth over time. Myth number 2. Social Security will cover all my expenses. Social Security was never designed to be your sole source of retirement income. The average benefit today is around $1,600 per month. Social Security is designed to replace roughly 40% of the average worker's pre-retirement income. You need other sources of income to maintain your standard of living. Myth number 3. I can rely on my children to support me. Relying on your children for financial support in retirement is risky. It can create a significant financial strain on them, especially if they are already managing their own expenses and savings. It puts pressure on your children and derails their financial goals. They might have to delay their own plans, such as buying a home or saving for their children's education. Your children may face their own financial challenges. They could be dealing with student loans, mortgages, or even unexpected medical expenses. Be prepared to take care of yourself. Having a solid financial plan for your retirement ensures that you can maintain your independence and peace of mind. Don't burden your children with your financial well-being. Instead, seek professional advice to secure your financial future. Myth number 4. I don't need to save if I plan to keep working. Life is full of surprises and not all are pleasant. You might be forced to retire early due to health or other unforeseen circumstances. Having a healthy nest egg gives you options and peace of mind. Myth number 5. My current savings plan is enough. Your financial needs and goals will change over time. Review your retirement plan regularly and adjust as needed. Seek help from a qualified financial advisor to stay on track. Take control of your retirement. Don't let these myths derail your plans. Your financial future is in your hands. Subscribe for more tips on securing your financial future and comment below with your biggest retirement planning struggles. Knowledge is power. You deserve to be in control.